Hey guys, welcome on back. It's your favorite around the way girl, Naturally Candace, and today is somewhat of a hair tutorial. It's a baby tutorial. I'll be sharing with you guys how I got rid of Caleb's cradle cap. Cradle cap is pretty much like a form of baby dandruff, like excessive baby dandruff. It's like a white cakey buildup on their scalp. It can be caused by a number of things like hormonal changes from being outside the womb, eczema, and I know some food allergies can cause excessive cradle cap. The main reason why I wanted to get his cradle cap under control, it is causing him to lose and shed a lot of hair. He was born with a head full of hair, and now he is losing the sides of his hair, the back of his hair, and the top crown of his hair due to cradle cap. Every time I scratch up some of the flakes, a lot of his hair, well, the hair follicle comes with the flakes, which is why I really wanted to get this under control. So the product that I've been using is a shampoo from a line called Mustela or Mustela. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but they actually have a full line of products at Target for babies with sensitive skin. And the shampoo that I'm using is geared towards babies that suffer from cradle cap. So I usually wash Caleb's hair whenever it's his bath time. I wash his hair first and I apply the shampoo and I let the shampoo actually sit so it can foam and do its thing. The shampoo helps to bring the flakes up from the scalp without having to do too much scratching and digging in their scalp, which is one thing that I really love about the shampoo. So once I wet baby Caleb's hair, I apply 2 pumps of the shampoo and I gently rub it around his head. Well, apply it to his hair. I make sure to focus on the area that he suffers the most from the cradle cap, which is the sides and the top of his hair. So I apply the shampoo and gently massage it in. Even though it is an exfoliant, it helps to bring the flakes up. I like to take his little safety first brush. It's a shampoo brush that I got out of one of his little safety first kits. And I go in a circular motion and gently massage his scalp to really help get those flakes up. I actually let the shampoo sit on while we do the rest of bath time. I let it sit on until we're completely done, and then I go through and rinse the shampoo. When I rinse the shampoo out, I literally just pour some warm water over Caleb's head. I don't do anything extra. I don't go through and pick out the flakes. I just rinse it out and literally the flakes kind of just, wash away. So once I get Caleb out of the bath, I dry his hair completely with his towel. I go ahead and oil his body down and get him dressed, and then we will focus on taking care of his hair. So for the next step, I'll need Caleb to kind of be preoccupied. So I will find a baby sensory video on YouTube before I start the next part of the process. So for the next part, I lay him across my lap and I apply an oil mixture to his scalp. The 2 oils that I've been using for his scalp are black castor oil and argan oil. So I apply about 3 to 4 squirts on each side. I do the sides, the top, and the back, and then I just take my hand and gently massage the oil into his scalp. On the sides and at the top where he really suffers from the cradle cap the most, I really try to get my hands into his scalp to really work the oils in. And after I massage his scalp, I then grab his hairbrush and I brush his hair. The purpose of me brushing the hair is to stimulate blood flow to really help get his hair to grow back. Because like I said, as the cradle cap comes out, he loses hair. So I really want to make sure I'm stimulating his scalp to get his hair to regrow back. Sometimes when I'm doing this process, I will notice that there is a section of hair where there are like extra flakes just hanging at the ends of his hair. So I will grab his comb and go ahead and just gently comb those pieces of the cradle cap out of his hair. I make sure to really keep his hair oiled up because the cradle cap cannot thrive and live in a moisturized place. It's kind of like a form of dry skin. It's like dandruff, like I said. So really want to make sure that his hair is super oiled up. I chose black castor oil too because everybody knows black castor oil will help to thicken up your hair and to help stimulate hair growth. And then I chose the argan oil because the argan oil has all of the essential vitamin A and E oils all mixed into one to really help get his hair to a healthy state. As far as the process, I wash Caleb's hair every other day. I wash it with the Mustela Cradle Cap every other day. I do not switch shampoos. I don't use like the Aveeno or the Johnson & Johnson. I strictly use the Cradle Cap shampoo. And as far as the oil and the massaging, I do that every day. I do it in the morning when we're getting ready for our day, just because I don't want to miss a day. Having his hair moisturized and stimulating that scalp is really going to help to get his hair to grow back into a healthy state. And that is how I am managing and getting his cradle cap under control. I actually recorded this video 2 weeks ago, so I will post a updated picture of his hair to his Instagram. Be sure to check the description box. I'll link a link directly to his page, but he has no bald spots in his hair. His hair is growing back healthy and the cradle cap is almost completely gone. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked the baby hair tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check the description box. I will put a link to baby Caleb's Instagram page, and I'll also put a link of where you can get the Mustela Cradle Cap shampoo. Until next time, guys. Well, until next video.